You ready? This Detective Alex Murphy is officer down.
We are on the eve of a technological revolution.
We need to give Americans a figure they can rally behind. Give me mom a kiss.
Hi, baby.
Too slow, boy. We're gonna put a man inside.
He suffered fourth-degree burns to over 80% of his body. If he survives, he'll be paralyzed from the waist down, confined to a wheelchair.
You say you can save him. What does that mean? What kind of life will he have?
Many wished for death. But in a city forever lost, the greatest secret still waits.
They will be back. There's greatness in you, Ender. The world needs you. You were bred for this. You see things in a way we can't. You alone can understand the enemy. You will be the one to save mankind.
Unless we act now, Earth will be annihilated.
We're out of time.
He's not ready.
You're never ready. You're when you're ready enough.
Track them from below the ice. Shoot straight. Stay calm. Here we go. Fire!
It begins as a whisper. That breeze became a wind. A wind, my brothers, of sacrifice. A wind of freedom. A wind of justice.
Of death and destruction.
Yes, there will be.
Tries.
National Parks found a footprint.
I'd like to go on alone.
She eats the heart first.
What do you think happened to Jerry Armstrong?
Slipped, broke a leg,